you think Tony Stark would be Tony Stark if he wasn't a billionaire?
Tony Stark was able to build this in a cave with a box of scrap.
Listen, it got to be, man, listen, Marvel, who the fuck is there writing this bullshit, bro? Do you understand how much of an asshole you have to be to fucking disrespect the legacy character that really catapulted Marvel to what the fuck it is today? The same superhero, the same one who sacrificed himself for the world to bring back half the world. That's what y'all dissing? Tony Stark is a billionaire because he's Tony Stark. What the fuck are you talking about? And this is why no one likes these characters, which I'm surprised they gave her own series because the comic book did terrible. This is why it's very difficult to watch a Marvel movie. It's so crazy now when these superhero movies. Listen, I used to be the first one in line when these movies used to come out, whether it's a Netflix series in the movies. I was one of the first people to do it because I'm a superhero fanatic. I love superhero adventures, especially when they're done correctly. But do you know now? I wait for reviews. I wait for commentary. Man, if a movie come out in the theater, man, I may not see it for a week after it come out, and sometimes I don't see it at all. If I hear too much woke bullshit in it, it's too much shit, some more of that bullshit ass girl boss shit where she don't really get no pain or have no story arc, I don't want to see this shit. This is retarded. This is dumb shit, bro. And this is why Marvel won't listen. No one wants to see this shit. And it's so crazy because the people that defend this shit, they don't even watch it because the ratings be fucking low. The viewers should be fucking low. So they will get on their fucking keyboards and defend this shit, but then don't watch it. It is fucking weird, bro. It is fucking weird. She is not qualified to take the mantle of Tony Stark. And you know, I thought that shit was weird because in Wakanda Forever, when they introduced her, I'm thinking, okay, she's over there building the armor. You know, when you know Shuridan found her in the whatchamacallit, I'm thinking there's gonna be like a poster of Tony Stark, or there's gonna be some line to pay homage to Tony Stark. She didn't mention anything. At that point, I was done with her. The whole movie, bitch, you ain't say shit about Tony Stark, about Iron Man. She would be so beloved that she would have said, I want to be just like Iron Man. She would have been loved. But instead, y'all trying to act like she's some type of, she's better than him. How the fuck are you better than a motherfucker who you trying to be like? Your whole armor looked just like him. What are you talking about? Marvel, this is why y'all delayed this shit for 3 years. Y'all made this shit during that woke era, and you didn't want to see your money go to waste, so you decided to put the shit out. But all this shit does is make us not want to watch shit. The new Fantastic Four, y'all made the Silver Surfer a fucking female. No one fucking asked y'all to do that. No one asked for that. Invisible Woman is badass by herself. You don't need a fucking female Silver Surfer. No one wants to watch your fucking garbage, bro. And then you got Pedro Pascal, stupid ass, fucking saying all kind of weird shit. And they always do this before a movie come out. They start voicing their political opinions. If y'all don't shut the fuck up,